Hello there, athletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify the math problems step by step for you. In this video, we have AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. Let's read the question. The function f is given by f of x equals 3 times x to the power of 5 minus 7 times x cubed plus 4. Which of the following describes the end behavior of f? So let's take a look at the function given in this question, which is f of x, 3 to the power of x plus 5 minus 7 x cubed plus 4. Our task is to determine the end behavior of this function. First, let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced by primarily by the term with the highest degree. So which is in this case 3 times x to the power of 5. Now let's understand that how the leading term 3 times x to the power of 5 dictates the behavior as x approaches positive infinity and negative infinity. Notice that as x becomes very large or very small, the x to the power of term dominates the behavior of the polynomial because it grows faster than the other terms. Since the coefficient of x squared, x to the power of 5 is positive, the function will rise to infinity as x approaches infinity. So x, since positive, as I said, since x approaches to infinity, we expect f of x to approach infinity as well. Similarly, as x approaches to negative infinity, the function behaves like x to the power of 5, but with a positive coefficient, so that the coefficient still rises to the infinity because the fifth power of a negative number is negative because it's an odd number, and the positive coefficient makes it positive infinity over here. But be careful with that because when the power is negative, so I mean the odd, since x approaches to negative infinity, f of x approaches to negative infinity because it's an odd power in x. So after this analysis, we can say that the choice B will be the correct answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.